Hello, my name is Yahya. Today we are going to learning about very common mistakes. These two words, which are very similar, they look almost the same and confusing students a lot. So in this lesson, we are going to tell you what is different between two words are rise and raise. So if you look at this two words, rise and raise, both of them, they have same meaning, and also at the same time, both of them are verb. Raise verb and rise verb, and also does meaning same, to raise something up or to move upward. So to be very clearly, let us talk about the raise. Raise and the verb raise in present simple, and raised in past simple, and raised also in past participle, which is regular verb. Regular verb. In English we say regular verb, just we added ed. To be, raise, to be, raised, raised, raised. So to be more clearly and easy for you, let us take some examples. So let us look at some examples. Example number 1. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. For example, you are in the class, often the teacher asking you, do you have the question? If you have the question, you can raise your hand up. It means you raise your hand up, or you raise something. I raise my pen, or I raise anything you raise up. That means you raise something. So I raise my hand. I, which is a subject, and raise is verb, and my hand here is object or complement, or we say object. So this is the main reason what is different between rise and raise. So in raise we find the object. So let us look at the second examples. My boss raised my salary. My boss raised my salaries, which we hope to happen. If you look at this example number 2, the subject here, boss, the main verb was raise, and ed, past simple or past participle. Raise here is a verb, and if we look at the my salary, that is object. That is object. I have raised my kids' will. I have raised my kids' will. So how do you parent them, or how do you parent your kids? That is the way you parent your kids, or you take care of them. So the way you parent your kids, it means to take care, to grow up. I as subject, I here is subject, and raise the verb, and my kids here is object. So this is the main reason or main measure of the difference between rise and raise. Let us look at the next one, rise. Rise also tries something up or to move upward. They have similar. There is similar. Both of them, they are verb, and the meaning to move upward. So rise, which is the present simple, and rose is past simple, and risen is the past participle. When we use the verb rise, there is no object. There is no object. Let us look at the example. The sun rises. The sun rises. In the morning, we get the sun rises up, goes up, rises up. So this is the meaning of the sun rises. Rises, it means to goes to up, to goes up. So here we find the subject sun and the verb rises or rise. This verb rise, there is no any object. There is no any object. So this is the main reason, the main reason or the difference between raise and rise. To be clear, look at this example number 2. The bread rolls in the oven. The bread rolls in the oven. Mean bread subject and rolls is verb which is past tense of the word rise in preposition and there is no object. So this also the main reason the difference between rise and raise. Look at the example number 3. I have just risen from my chair. I just wake up from my chair. I have just wake up from my chair. So in this case, we use past participle of the word rise because I have is present perfect. So I have just risen from my chair. If we see I is the subject and risen is the verb which is past participle of the word rise, which is past participle of the word rise. So from here is preposition. My chair is no object. It's not object. So this the main example. I hope we covering between two words which is raise and rise. In the end, I want to thank you for watching, for spending your time and watching my video. And thank you for those who are subscribing my channel. And I ask you again to go my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel. And take care until next video.